Assalamu alaikum class 3. Today is your first online class of math. We already have started the chapter division. Now this is the continuation pages we have to solve. Open page number 128. We have done till page number 127. On page number 128 it is question number 4. They have written, help the squirrel find its food. They have drawn some trees over here. I have just written the sums. We have to solve the sums and find the answer. The food is hidden in the tree with the quotient 65 and the remainder 2. First we will solve the sums and then I will find with you the answer, and we will write the answer in the tree. First sum is the divisor is 3 and the dividend is 202. We have to divide 202 by 3. How you will do it? 2 cannot go on the table of 3, so we cannot write 3 ones are 3 because 3 will become bigger than the numerator and we cannot minus these two values. So we will take two numbers, 3 ones are 3 on 20. Where does 20 go on the table of 3? 20 does not go on the table of 3, but we will see the number which is smaller but nearer to the number of 20. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. We cannot write 21 over here, so we will do 3 sixes are 18. We'll minus these two values. 2 cut 1 will become 10 over here. 10 minus 8 will become 2. This is the answer. This will become 0. Now when we minus these two values, this 2 will already automatically come down when we minus these two sums. Okay, this 2 will already come down. We already have done these questions. This is just a review. Now to make 22 on the table of 3, to divide it, we will again read the table. 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. 24 will not go because it will become greater. So what we will do is 3 7s are 21 minus these two values. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 2 will become 0. 1 is the remainder. What is the quotient and what is the remainder? The answer which is left is called the remainder and the answer is called the quotient. Okay, the answer is called the quotient. So the answer is 67 and the number which is left is 1. Second question is 82 divided by 3. Dividend is 82, divisor is 3. Can we divide one value on 3 or we have to take two values? First we will see the first value. Is 8 smaller than or greater than 3? It is greater than 3 and it can go on the table of 3. How? 3 ones are 3. Can we write 3 over here? Or we can go ahead. 3 twos are 6. We can write 6 also over here because it is smaller than 8. 3 threes are 9 will become greater, so we will not write 9. We will write 3 twos are 6. We will minus this value. 8 minus 6 will become 2 and second 2 will come down automatically. This is the rule of division. Now 22 will go on which number divided by 3? 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. 24 will become larger, so we will write 3 7s are 21. 2 minus 1, we will minus these two. 2 minus 1 will become 1, 2 minus 2, 0. 1 is the remainder and 27 is the quotient. You will not write this. Answer of this is 27. Third one is 319 divided by 4. we cannot take one number now because 3 is smaller than 4, so we'll take two numbers. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. 32 will become greater than 31, so we'll take 4 7s are 28. Minus these two values, 3 cut 2, 1 will become carry over here, 11 minus 8 is 3. Automatically this 9 will come down. Now we have to divide this value by 4. We have done till 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Now 40 will become greater again, so what we will do is 4 9s are 36. Minus this value, 9 minus 6, 3, 3 minus 3, 0. So 3 is the remainder and 79 is the answer, quotient. You have to learn the tables by heart, then only you will be able to solve the division questions. Fourth one is 511 divided by 5. Now can we divide the first value, or we have to take two values? We can divide the first value because it is same number. So 5 1s are 5, it will go on the table of 5, it will become 0. Now 1 will come down, automatically 1. Can we divide 1 on the table of 5? No. So what we will do, this has come automatically. When we subtracted this value, 1 came automatically down, but when we'll bring the second number down, we have to put the 0 and then bring it down. Whenever we have to bring the second value down by ourselves, we will first put a 0 and then bring the second number. First number always comes by itself automatically after subtracting, but the second number, when we have to bring it down to divide it with the divisor, we have to put a 0 and then the second number will come down. So now 11 can be divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 15 will become greater, so 5 2s are 10 will be the answer. Minus these two values, 11 minus 10, 1 minus 0 will become 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So 1 is the remainder, 102 is the quotient. Fifth one, 907 divided by 3. Now first we can take the one value, first value, because it is greater than divisor. Where does 9 go on the table of 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Subtracting this value, it will become 0. 0 will come down. Now if the 0 is there, we have to multiply it with the 0 because 0 has no value, so 3 zeros are 0. It will become 0. Now automatically this will come down, 7. Why did we do 3 zeros are 0? Because on the table we can't do 3 zeros are 0. 0 has no value, so that is why we did not first put 7 over here, because 0 can be divided by 3 or any value. Now this is 7. Where does 7 go on the table of 3? We will read the table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. If we'll put 9, 9 will become greater. So 3 2s are 6 will be the answer. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 1 is the remainder and 302 is the answer. Now you know how did the 0 came over here. 3 zeros are 0. You will practice the sums, then only you will understand these questions. Last question is 327 divided by 5. Now 3 cannot go on the table of 5 because it is smaller than 5. So we'll take two numbers. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So we cannot write 35 over here because it will become greater. So what we'll do is 5 6 are 30. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 3 will become 0. Automatically 7 will come down with after subtracting these values. Now 27, where does 27 go on 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 6 are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. 30 cannot come because it will become greater, so 5 fives are 25. 7 minus 5, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. It is your wish if you want to write 0 or no. This is the answer. This is the remainder. The number which is left is called the remainder, and the answer on the top is called the quotient. The food, this is tree number A, this is tree B, this is tree number C, D, E and F. Now the food is hidden in which tree? Because they have written with the quotient, the food is hidden in the tree with the quotient 65 and the remainder 2. Where is the remainder 2? We have remainder 1, remainder 1, remainder 3, remainder 1, remainder 1 and remainder 2. Remainder 2 is over here. And what is the quotient? They have written 65, we have the answer 65 over here. So they have written food is hidden in tree box. We will write F. You have the trees drawn over here.